driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fun.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of
lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it, nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it, no, nothing we could ever do but let it flow, let it flow. The river could be rising on the mountains, climbing high enough to see the sky, to light up all the colors of its motion, leave every obstacle behind. I promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the light.
child, I know. You're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time.
Well, you know what? It's sometimes real cool to tell you with your favorite people. And we did it.
Everybody's healthy and happy. We're surviving the coronavirus.
I think we all
I mean, Hans kind of sucks, but
I know how
Yeah.
No one spot.
I don't really like a lot of people.
Wait,
I still love
for real,
you.
like no one's got in an argument. No.
Hans, your fucking potato's done.
Son of a bitch! Don't talk to me about my goddamn son of a bitch! My fucking haters!
Alright, cheers!
Cheers.
Ah.
Sláinte.
Let's
throw,
driveway.
I know I got this forever.
That was actually nice.
Now we gotta get there up here. In a timely manner.
You know, under it?
Worst comes to worst, so I get beer. You are. I'm down with it.
Right next to your camera.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey.
This way? No, I'm gonna get
I just wanted you to watch.
I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna come over this way.
You look fast.
Watch your spin. You gotta run.
Yeah, I
We
want to
got
beat you
We
up.
got you.
We got you.
No, go that way. Go
this way.
Hey, go there. Go there.
Go around the back. Go around the back.
I got you.
You got it.
I need my drink in 10 seconds.
You, hey, Han,
We're gonna get
you be ready. I'm
Drink and your spot ready.
Okay.
Go around back.
You don't have a longer drive?
It's 10 seconds.
You can
Yeah,
get it. Go
we got
that way.
this.
Go to Dixon News. Go to Dixon
Come on.
News.
Everybody else ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Let's go.
10, 9,
Yeah.
3, 2. I think we nailed it. Let's make sure we got it.
Wait, whoa, where you going?
Yeah, well, you can't just disembark the rock.
We'll try with the flash.
We really figured this out. They can just walk up there.
Alright, we'll try with flash. We'll see.
Video of this? Yeah. That's pretty cool. You definitely have got me just dancing for like a good
Are we ready?
minutes now.
Here we go. 10 seconds.
Ready?
3. We're at 3 still. 1.
Oh, yeah, I see it out there. I'm staying up here this time. Yeah.
Rock party! Sorry for my rock. I would love to just see the faces of anyone driving by this right now. And all of us up here just... Hey, look at that cool rock. Dirt people, go! Go! Send the dirt people! Mark, go! Mark, go! People don't look at all to your left. Hey, does this work for planes or no? I'm going down. Does anyone want a drink? I'm going down.
All going down the rock bottom.
Yeah, it's only rock bottom from here.
There's no way up from here, guys. Perfection.
Do that to my brain right now, please. There. Almost just got stepped on. Both. Are they both the same?
That's what Colin.
I keep forgetting it.
I love you.
Yeah, my shoes are somewhere.
summer is gone. Let me
No, she's cool. She's
stand in my bed.
She's nice.
And she played me all night long, but I would do it all over again.
Yeah, no, she wouldn't. For what I need.
Here you go, Diddy.
Oh my god. Take a drink of
Oh,
guys.
was the weather outside the day we met? Blue was the color of sky she did you let. Short was the time we had, it was the best. But long were the nights we had.
Hey. Gonna be rough.
I gotta close my face.
And we're done.
Close my face.